Breaking news. Russia has announced that its cancer vaccine Eneromix is now ready to use and will be provided free of charge to all its citizens. This personalized mRNA vaccine has shown 100% success in preclinical trials, completely stopping tumor growth and metastasis. Each dose costs over $6,000, but the government will cover the expense. Russia is now also considering offering the vaccine to its allied countries, marking a potential global breakthrough in cancer treatment. With this breakthrough, Russia could soon become cancer-free, offering hope to millions worldwide. Now, the main news is, every year over 1.2 million people in the European Union and more than 600,000 in the United States die from cancer. Despite this massive need due to strained political relations and ongoing sanctions, Russia has no plans to export Eneromix to the US or EU nations. Instead, it will focus on strengthening ties with its allies, and exporting this vaccine only to its allies. Russia could generate more than $10 billion revenue annually.
mRNA cancer vaccine ready for clinical trials shows tumor shrinking results. In a development that could reshape global medicine, Russian scientists have announced the creation of an mRNA cancer vaccine called Eneromix. The breakthrough was unveiled by the Federal Medical and Biological Agency, whose head, Veronika Skvortsov, confirmed that the vaccine has cleared preclinical trials with striking success. Unlike standard treatments, this vaccine uses mRNA technology, similar to COVID vaccines, but it's tailored individually to each patient's RNA, making it a personalized weapon against cancer. In early experiments, Eneromix showed remarkable results, not only shrinking tumors, but also slowing their growth across some of the most aggressive cancers, including brain, skin, and rectal cancers. Medical experts are calling this a potential game changer. If clinical trials confirm its effectiveness, Eneromix could open the door to a future where cancer treatment is not only more targeted, but far less invasive than chemotherapy or radiation. Russia's announcement comes at a time when global cancer cases continue to rise, making the demand for breakthroughs urgent. For patients and families around the world, this vaccine offers something that has long felt out of reach: genuine hope. Russia